Hello everyone, welcome back to Let's Sunshine. Hope you all are doing well. So in this video, we're gonna talk about some different ways to say thank you. So without any further ado, let's get started. The English phrase thank you is obviously used to let someone know that you appreciate something or someone that they have done for you. So basically it comes in a several versions. The first and most common version is a shorter version where you can use just the word thanks. So for instance, you could say thanks Steph for helping me change the tire on my car is just an example. And the next most common version is thanks a lot. Now there are two versions that are very similar. You could say thank you so much or you could say thank you very much. Both are the similar ones. Some other ways are thanks a ton, thanks a bunch and thanks a million. And also many thanks. So these are the other common ways, and I'm so grateful, I can't thank you enough. You can use this one to show extreme gratitude when someone has done something for you. For example, you have saved my job for me, I can't thank you enough. Next is much appreciated, I owe you one, which means this phrase expresses that you are indebted to someone for a favor that have done for you. Next is I really appreciate it. This phrase is used to show a deeper level of gratitude and appreciation for something. I'm grateful for your help, it's very kind of you. I'm beyond grateful, I am so grateful. These are also the very common words. And I hope this video will help you to understand better. Thanks for watching everyone. For more such videos, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you everyone.